Alright, so the first step is to log in to Opus Clip. If you search for Opus Clip in Google, you will be able to go in here and create your account. It is free, and they give you a free trial. But I recommend getting the paid version. As you can see, I'm on the Pro plan, and I'll show you why it's so useful to have it. Alright, so what we're going to do is you're going to go into your YouTube channel, and I'm going to assume you already have uploaded long form videos in this fashion. I'm going to open up 3 of them, and typically for every long form video it will be able to produce about 13, anywhere from 10 to 15 shorts. So we're just going to right click and open these in the new tab. Alright, once we have these 3 videos loaded,
wind turbine to rival the formidable fossil.
Okay, we're going to take these links. We're going to just paste it right here. Now, before you hit this button, let it load until it says get clips in 1 click. Now, if you scroll down here, you have options for different type of captions for the video. I just like preset template 1. Only add caption without clipping to your video, original videos. I don't use this. And then make sure you select 30 to 60 seconds so you can upload it as a short as well. I usually use these for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts. And then we're just going to hit get clips with 1 click. It's going to say it's fetching the video. It'll write the preferred clip and the estimated waiting time. You can safely leave this page. We'll send you an email notification when it's done. So what we can do now is hit this once again, and then when that finishes, they'll send us an email. So I can cancel out of that tab, go into here, paste the link, and then again, we're going to make sure to hit 30 to 60 seconds. I also don't mess with that either. And we're going to hit get clips within 1 click. Same thing. Alright, once that's done, we're going to hit this right there. Cancel out of that. Get another link. Paste it. Again, I use preset template 1, 30 to 60 seconds. Boom, get clips within a click. So now we're going to let the AI do its work, and we're going to get back into our email inbox, and I'll show you what the emails look like when these videos are ready. Alright, so when you get the emails, you're going to get them like this. And you're just going to hit view clips. Alright, as you can see, it created about 10 shorts. What we're going to do is we're going to go into edit. We're not going to just download them right away. There's important edits we need to make before we download the shorts. The first thing is make sure it's on fill, so fill the whole screen. For captions, I always do 1, middle, bounce. All this other stuff I don't touch, but you can play around with this stuff. You can change the fonts, change the size of the font, uppercase. Apparently it turns on AI keywords highlighter, and we're also going to add an automatic B-roll, which will make the video better. You can see it's only 55 seconds. Let me just show you what it looks like. There you go, and we're just going to hit auto B-roll, and you're going to hit AI generated B-roll. Shouldn't take too long. Another thing is you have this clean option. If there's large pauses in the video, this will automatically remove it. So let's wait that loads. You can also add a logo or a call to action, and you can turn on AI emojis. I don't use that, but this is my setting. You can modify your template. I already modified mine. You can here, you could save as a new template, and it'll just, as soon as you make it, it'll just automatically select that one. So as you can see, the B-rolls.
The cool thing about the iron flow battery is that it uses simple ingredients: water, salt, and iron. No fancy stuff like lithium or nickel. Here's how it works. During the discharge phase, when we're using the battery's stored energy, the electrolyte, the liquid in the battery, contains iron ions and salts dissolved in water. This mix is the same for both the positive and negative sides of the battery. When we charge the battery, the iron ions in the negative electrolyte combine with electrons.
So there you go. We're just going to hit save changes. And it'll only take about a couple minutes, 3 minutes. So while that's doing it, I just move on to the next one. So by the time I'm done with all of them, they're all ready to go. And it's literally the same thing. I already have the modified template, fill, and the captions, the same thing set up. I'm just going to hit AI generated B-roll. And that's it. And I go quickly with this. So you can bust out 10 shorts from a long form video within less than 10 minutes. I would say probably 20. So once I'm done with this flow, I'm going to show you how you can schedule them to YouTube as YouTube Shorts. So once this is all done, you're going to just download all these. It's really easy. You just press this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go into a YouTube studio. We're going to hit create and upload videos. Now instead of just going from the download, you see all these that I downloaded, I'm going to create a folder, shorts. I'm going to take all of these, drag them into the folder. Then I'm going to select files, go to the folder, select the first 15, because you can only do 15 at a time. Right there, there's 15. Hit open. And now it's just going to upload all the shorts straight into your channel. You can see how efficient this is. I usually schedule about 35 shorts for the week, and these do get good amounts of views, as you can see in the past. Some get almost 10,000 views. It's pretty good. It helps get closer to the monetization. Let's see. We're gonna go here, and now once it's all uploaded, what I like to do is filter and hit visibility and hit draft. Now it's only going to show you the drafts, and here you can just hit details, next. You can add the related video. So in this case, let's see, I did up to turbine. Let me see. Okay, I did up to turbine. So these were actually I think it's best to do by date modified. Sorry. And then you can tell which ones. Now you can tell. So actually what I'm going to do I'm going to delete all these. I'm going to re-upload them because I want to show you something. Let me delete them. Alright, so now I put it with date modified, that way you know which shorts belong to which video. And now I'm just going to go in here, select files, and I can see here the dates. Let me see. Oh, I guess they're not. What is it doing that? Okay. So I'm just going to go in here and then drag and drop these. So that was the first video, so I can just go back to this, hit view clips, hit this button, and then boom, I got the link. Oh, I got the video, so I'm just going to copy the title of the video. I'm going to go back. Okay. Uploads are complete. I'm going to filter, visibility, draft, apply. Okay. Now, the reason we did that is when I hit next, I can add the related video. Boom. Subtitles I'm going to take away. Public. And here is the scheduling tool. Right now I'm just going to let's say let's shoot for 9, so 9 p.m. June 21st. I'm going to hit schedule. Boom. Next one. I'm going to hit next. Related video. Get rid of the subtitles. Public, and then for tomorrow, the 22nd, I'm going to do 9 a.m. Boom. On the 22nd. Schedule. Okay. Next one. Here I don't add any tags, by the way. Doesn't really help the short video. You don't need to do it. Feel free, or a description, feel free to do it. I don't do it. I still can get some views doing this. And then related video. Because I'm in part of the monetization, I'm halfway through, I can tag my products in here too, which is nice. I'm having issues with that. Hit dismiss, cancel, next. And this one's gonna be for 12 p.m. and that's pretty much the process. And I'm gonna keep doing that, go to the next match, and then eventually I'll airdrop this to my phone and then upload it on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So that's the process of the content creation using Opus. There's a link in the description for you to sign up. I highly recommend it, and I'll see you in the next one.